Floki Inu just break this structure that I was talking about earlier. Guys, today we are going to look at Floki Inu and BabyDoge coin to see where we can put our stop loss or our target if say Bitcoin keep doing what it does at this point in time. You are welcome back here on this platform. As usual, I bring you guys amazing alpha that will help you make money investing in cryptocurrency. And today, as I mentioned, we are going to look at BabyDoge coin and Floki Inu. We just saw how Floki Inu have broken this key structure, and let's see how we can approach this right now. And then we're going to look at BabyDoge coin as well. And in addition, we're going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum to see what they are doing in the market as of now. But if say you are new here, this is the bottom crypto. As I mentioned, I create content that will help you make money. So consider smashing the subscribe button right now if say this sort of content interests you. Let's dive right away, guys. This is a awesome structure for for Floki Inu. This is Floki Inu right now on the 4 hours time frame. And if say I zoom this right now, zoom in, zoom out this right now, you're gonna see that Floki Inu have broken this structure. So what should we do right now, and what target can we expect? If Floki Inu keep moving to the upside. Now I'm gonna expect some retracement. So I'm gonna go to the lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame, to see. But before I do that, I'm gonna stay on the 4 hours time frame first. Then bring in my Fibonacci to see where I can expect the price, to go to. So let me see. Where can I expect the price to go to? The first take profit should be at this, that is 0.00026. So that's the area we can expect for like the first take profit. Now, how am I going to trade this? Like, I have to wait to see that this structure is broken, and I'm going to put this here first, even though we have seen that the trend line has been broken, but I want to get more confirmation to see if say this is a good trend or not. It's not a failed trend. Let me put it that way. So what I want to do is I'm going to wait for pullback at this zone here. So let me, if say it breaks that area, I'm going to wait for pullback here. Yeah. So I'm gonna wait for pullback at this area. This is where I want to see a retracement back, but I want to see it go to this first take profit area, like this area here, and this is the first take profit area at this zone, this area here. So this is the first area that I expect pullback. So if say it pull back a little bit here, then I'm gonna buy. Then we'll take it right up to, let me see how many percent that's gonna be. So let me take out this right now, so I can see how many percentage that I'm gonna get if say you're gonna trade this right now. So let me take the this right now long. So let's say we're gonna see a retracement back at this level, or let me say in the middle. So that's gonna be, let me see, I want to get 2:1 or 3:2, and my stop loss is gonna be immediately like below this, directly below. So I'm gonna risk 5%. This is the 4 hours time frame, to make 12%. So that's 2:38. So if that play out, I think it's gonna be an awesome trade for you guys to take. But first of all, wait for price to break all the structure here, then come back to retest this zone here, then you can buy again. So this is how I'm gonna trade this. You say I have to, this is Floki, this is how I'm gonna do this is what I'm gonna do. But if you say I wanna keep like following the trade, keep like as the trade keep as the trend keep moving upwards, I can do it in a way that I keep moving my stop loss each time I see a break like this. If I see a break like this, let's see, then I come back, retest, then I'm gonna shift my stop loss up. If you come again like this and do it like this, I'm gonna shift my stop loss here. If you come again like this, I go so you're gonna do it like that. Keep doing like that, moving your stop loss instead of you closing the trade. So I think this is how you can do it for Floki Inu. So let's look at the BabyDoge coin right now. Not this one. Let me see. Okay, so this is actually BabyDoge coin right now, and BabyDoge coin haven't yet broken any trend. So let me refresh this so I can get more clear data. Let me refresh this. Okay, so BabyDoge coin actually is not moving. This is a daily time frame. So let me go to the hour 4 hour time frame to see if say we can see some movement here with BabyDoge coin. Actually, BabyDoge coin is still here fresh. So if say we see Bitcoin, like doing well, then you can be rest assured that BabyDoge coin, this is a good zone to buy BabyDoge coin. You can draw a trend line like this, to see if say it keep respecting this trend line. Yeah, I think you can do it like this, and if say it breaks this trend line, then you can come out from the trade. But I think right now BabyDoge coin is a good buy, because if you look at the daily time frame, you're gonna see that this coin has been going downward ever since we saw this pump here. Let me refresh this. You can see, look at the daily time frame, you can see this downward trend here. So I think overall BabyDoge coin is a buy, like buy. If say we break this trend, then where am I expecting this coin to go? That's gonna be about 42% first. This is a first angle that I'm targeting. If say BabyDoge coin break that this area, so this is where I'm targeting. So you can place this target. This is at 0.00019, or just say 0.0020. So this is my first target. And if say it breaks this this resistance here, then I'm gonna target this other area was right. If say we just buy it and hold it, we won't be making a lot of money. At times we might be losing the profit that we're going to be making. So I realized that the better way to do it is for us to trade this token with Bitcoin. So most of your assets are in Bitcoin. When you see opportunity like this, you buy now Floki Inu, you make more, you buy in Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is falling, Floki Inu can Floki Inu or Floki Inu, not Floki Inu, Floki Inu or BabyDoge coin can fall like 30%. Then when it does, maybe Bitcoin will fall like just 10%. Then now you can use your Bitcoin to buy this, when you see opportunity like this in the market. So when you play with like you use this kind of strategy, you can make a lot of money, or you're gonna buy more Bitcoin. So I really want to stress this so you guys know that you can really use Floki Inu and BabyDoge coin to make a lot of money in this game. So, and protect it at the same time. They are all nice projects, but they are gonna be time for you to buy and time for you to sell. That's what I wanted you guys to know. Now, if say we go to look at the news to see what has been going on with the Floki Inu community. We're gonna see that they keep growing. Right now they have 498.6k followers, and they have been posting here, like they have their roadmap here. Phase 1, shop Floki Inu launch, Binance Pay partnership. I mean, this is huge partnership or huge steps that they have been taking so far. Valhalla website on upgrade, Chinese white paper, China plan. So they have lots going on. Phase 2, staking phase, Floki Inu, redesign, Floki debit card. So they are coming with Floki debit card. Phase 3, they have University of Floki launch. So they want to launch a university. Wow, that's awesome. And I think in this university, it's gonna be more of crypto education in I think in less developing countries that they don't have the necessary equipment to study or learn about crypto, and they're gonna have launch of Floki project and just TL. So I think they are already going towards phase 2 now. Phase 2 and phase 3. Then phase 4 is going to be when they're going to launch the Valhalla mainnet and Valhalla Chinese version, then mystery project. So I think to an extent, Floki Inu is a good project. It's one of the best meme coin out there that I would say they keep adding more utility to the token and keep expanding their partnerships, with other platforms like Binance. Binance Pay is huge. I know most of you might not understand how huge or how big Binance Pay is. I made a video about that. It's huge. Binance is going to be the winner in Africa and Asia. Then maybe Coinbase can take over the West. So you can see here, a lot of stuff. They have a lot of posts here, a lot of updates about the project. They have 100 $1,000 giveaway. There's so much going on. You can go on their Twitter, to see what they have been doing and everything that they have been all about. And if we go to BabyDoge coin, you're gonna see that BabyDoge coin also, they keep growing. They have now they're going towards 2 million followers on Twitter. This is huge alone, guys. If say you have a project that have this much following on Twitter, then you wanna pay attention to that project. So just the fact that I see BabyDoge coin having 1.9 million followers, I believe that during the bull market, they're gonna be a massive run here with this coin. So I think to an extent, they are then BabyDoge coin also is an amazing project. They say that we did it. All BabyDoge community members are now Guinness Book of World Record holders for most pet food donated in 24 hours. If you don't know more about this token, they are more on helping dogs, out there, helping pets, like fit pets out there. So I think they have an amazing, I think, should I say, goal that they want to achieve, and at the same time they have been building around the project BabyDoge swap. So there's so much that they have been doing. They also that they launched the BabyDoge lock, the vault. So I think again, when you look at the fundamentals, these projects are all amazing projects, but you don't want to rely only on the fundamentals. You have to also look at the technical analysis, and that's why if I look at the fundamentals, then comes the technical analysis. I'm going to see what investors are doing at what given period in time. I'm going to look at the 4 hours, 8 hours, or daily, weekly to see how investors are reacting to the price action. And if say investors keep, like if say we see more demand in the market for the project or the coin, then that's when you want to be buying. But when you see less demand and people keep dumping the coin in the market, that's when you want to sell, and cash out profit. In this game, if say you're not able to cash out profit, someone else will cash it out for you. If say you watch your coin keep growing, and you're not able to cash out profit, someone else will dump it on you, and you won't be able to cash out profit. That's why you can see when the next 5 years or the next 10 years, the next 5 years or the next 10 years, you're going to become a millionaire, right? It doesn't work like that. You have to make sure you are following all these step by step to be able to make money in this industry. I love cryptos, I love technical analysis, I love fundamental analysis, and I'm able to bring it to you guys because I want you guys to know when to buy, know when to take out profit. So go and apply this. If say you want me to you want me to help you in portfolio management, then there are links below this video where you can connect with me. And if say you want to take my one-on-one masterclass, then there are links also below this video, at the description of this video, where you can connect with me so I can help you one-on-one with portfolio management. Guys, one of the challenges that most investors face in this industry is not knowing when to buy, not knowing when to take out profit, and not knowing when to just stay away from the market. So being part of my community, I can help you with all this aspect. I do crypto full time, analyze the chart, and look at what is going on in the market. And I promised you guys I was going to show you, want to see what is going on with Bitcoin. So let's see what is going on with Bitcoin. I didn't actually check it out yet. So let's see. Bitcoin right now is at 30. Let's say 30,000, but let's look at the chart of Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin is at 30,580. So let's just look at the chart of Bitcoin to see if, say, actually we can rely on the price action now for Floki Inu or BabyDoge coin. So if I go to check on Bitcoin right now, let me see where Bitcoin is at. Let's see. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin is pretty good, right? We are seeing this bounce back, and this bounce, bounce back. So this zone here is actually a good zone for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin keep holding this zone, then we're gonna see more altcoin pumping. So you can see here, Bitcoin is moving around this zone here, and in my next video, I'm gonna share with you guys how you can take advantage of these zones, like with other coin or Bitcoin on its own. But today, I just wanted you guys to know more about Floki Inu, like in terms of technical analysis, and if see you can buy it now, or maybe Dogecoin, if so you can buy it now or not. But as you can see, if Bitcoin keep doing this, I think there's a slight support here, resistance here. If Bitcoin break this and go back to about 30K, then we're gonna see massive pump. So we wanna get in Floki or Dogecoin immediately, because they are around to like Floki has working structure, but Dogecoin is still here to break structure. So that's that for today, guys. Hopefully this content was helpful to you. If say it was helpful to you, you wanna go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. See you in the next video, same time tomorrow. Bye bye.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the